Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.6, question number 4. A plane passes through the point -1, 1, 2 and the normal to the plane of magnitude 3 root 3. Max equal acute angle with the coordinate axis. Find the equation of the plane. Now, here the a plane passes through the point, that is vector A equal minus I plus j plus 2k, because it passes through point -1, 1 and 2. Now, given modulus of n vector is 3 root 3, that is magnitude is 3 root 3, max equal acute angles with the coordinate axis. Find the equation of the plane. Here we know that let alpha is the angle made by normal. Let alpha is angle made by the normal to the coordinate axis. Therefore, from the condition we can do cos square alpha plus cos squared beta, that also alpha, cos squared gamma, that also cos squared alpha, because all are equal 1. Therefore, 3 cos squared alpha equal to 1, which gives cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3. Now, here therefore normal vector n we can write in the terms of here 3 root modulus 3 root 3 into 1 by root 3i plus 1 by root 3j plus 1 by root 3k, because it's equal angles, which is for the therefore n vector equal, we can n vector we can write in terms of ijk, like 3i, because 3 root 3 over root 3 is 3i plus 3j plus 3k. The equation of the required plane, equation of the required plane is r vector dot n equal a vector dot n. Let us substitute r dot vector n is 3i plus 3j plus 3k equal a vector, that we have a vector is already minus I j plus 2k minus I plus j plus 2k into n vector is 3i plus 3j 3k. Therefore, r vector dot 3i plus 3j plus 3k equal dot product is, that's minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3. So which is equal minus 3 plus 3 cut and 2 into 3. Your 2 into 3, which gives 6. Now therefore R vector now R vector you can say in terms of 3i plus 3j plus 3k equal 6. So we have to divide both side by 2, both side by 3 we can get it now. R vector dot I j plus k, because we are dividing by 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore we got the vector equation. We will do Cartesian equation. Now let R vector equal xi plus yj plus zk, which gives xi plus yj plus zk into dot product of ijk, because it is R dot I plus j plus k equal to 2. So we are equating this, then multiply by dot product xi into I dot I is 1, therefore it gives the Cartesian equation is like x plus y plus z, because k dot k is 1, j dot j is 1. So this is a required Cartesian equation. Here this is a vector equation. Now next question number 5. Find the intercept cutoff by the plane or vector dot 6i plus 4j minus 3k equals 12 on the coordinate axis. Here the vector equation r dot 6i plus 4j minus 3k equal to 12 is given. Let r vector equal in terms of xi plus yj plus zk. Now therefore r vector, that is xi plus yj plus zk dot product of 6i plus 4j minus 3k equal 12. That means we are using this 6i plus 4j minus 3k here. Therefore by dot product I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. So we have 6x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 12. Here we have to 6i plus 4y 6z equal to 12. Therefore dividing by 12 throughout, we get x by 2 plus y by 3 minus z by 4 equal 12 divided by 2 is 1. This is a intercept form. for that is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1 is the intercept form. Using this condition, we are using here x by 2 plus y by 3 minus z by 4 equal to 1. Therefore, we can say x intercept equal x intercept of the plan is 2, y intercept equal 3, z intercept of the plan equal minus 4. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.